Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the cast and the skin around it now. Look for wetness, redness, or a localized smell. Once done, gently use a hairdryer on the cool setting for 1 to 2 minutes to dry any damp padding. This reduces bacterial growth. Make sure to sprinkle a pinch of baking soda into the cast opening to absorb moisture and odor. Why it works is simple. Baking soda neutralizes acids from sweat and slows odor-causing microbes. Once the surface is dry, continue by removing any trapped debris. Use a soft vacuum attachment or low-pressure compressed air to pull out lint and bits that trap scent. Then, carefully wipe the skin at the cast edge with an alcohol wipe and let it evaporate. This kills many microbes on the margin. After that, place a small activated charcoal sachet or odor-absorbing packet in the cast opening. It draws out residual smells over several days and should be swapped regularly. To finish, monitor the cast for another 24 to 48 hours. Make sure it stays dry and that sachets continue to reduce odor. If the smell returns or intensifies, repeat drying and replace the charcoal. This usually clears most problems. However, if you develop fever, increasing pain, spreading redness, or any drainage with a foul odor, contact your care provider immediately because those signs suggest infection. A key tip: never
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.